Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show y'all how to do like different type of flowers. Well, no, in this video I'm gonna show y'all how to do one flower. I'm gonna show you how to make a lavender flower. So to do that, I'm gonna be using this ombre pink yarn because I'm not doing nothing else with it. 4mm hook, yarn scissors, yarn needle, and I have these wired wood picks that I got from Michael's, under $5, and I get 55 of them. So that means a lot of flowers. But yeah, I really want to make a flower bouquet, so here's part 1 of however many different flower videos I plan on doing. To start, I'm gonna not that weird. I'm gonna take one of these off, so I'm gonna come back when I'm done, cause or hold up. Ouch. Okay, I guess that works. Oh, I forgot to mention, but you're gonna need some source of glue too. I don't know if I'm using my hot glue or my E6000 yet, but when it's time, I'll show you. So as for my latest videos, I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just figuring out as I go. But we're gonna make a slip knot. Hopefully this comes out good. If it don't come out good, y'all just not gonna get the video, and this will never be seen. But if you've seen this video, then that means it went well. And we're gonna chain up. I chained up 48. Don't know why. We have 48, and then we're gonna go into the third chain space from the hook, and let's do. We're gonna do a double crochet. Then I want to do a picket stitch. I think that's how it's called. You chain up 3, and then you're gonna slip stitch into the first chain that you did. I'm gonna do another double crochet in that space. But guess what? I'm gonna do another double crochet. Okay, this would be a cute little top. Alright. I think I know what I'm doing. Okay, and once we have that done, we're going to slip stitch into the next chain on the hook. I'm gonna chain up 5. Slip stitch into that same space. Then slip stitch into the next chain space, chain 5, slip stitch into the same space, slip stitch into the next space, chain 5, slip stitch into the same space. And we're just gonna repeat this until we reach the end, and your project should be naturally turning or curling, and that's exactly what we want. Okay, here I am halfway. And y'all see it looking so cute. I just had to come in and show y'all. Yeah, I'm loving this.
2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, chain your 5, slip stitch in the same space, then slip stitch to the next chain, chain up 5, slip stitch in the same space, slip stitch into the next space, chain up 5. Y'all, this is working out really quickly.
So yeah, I definitely plan on doing this a lot more. This would be good for things like Valentine's Day, which is coming up. It's really around the corner. It could be an everyday gift, a birthday gift, Mother's Day. Mother's Day would be perfect for these. And it's flowers that never die, so it's the perfect gift to give. But I'm gonna let y'all work. I'm gonna come back once I reach the end. Okay, so here I am on my last chain space. Pretty long compared to this, but maybe, just maybe, that can be fixed when we officially wrap it, because this is the natural curl. So we're gonna cut off our yarn, pull this through, and what you can do to secure this is tie it. I'm gonna do like a little double knot. Get whatever dowel or anything you're using. You're gonna start from the top. So we have that double crochet picket stitch. We're gonna go there, and then we're gonna begin to wrap it. This would be a good time to have your glue, but I'm gonna glue mine after because I want to see how cute it's gonna be.
Hold on, maybe I'll change the numbers. Start. Up a little bit. Might be right. Like this place. This is actually really pretty. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna curl up all the flowers on. Get more definition and curl. I'm gonna just wrap this tail inside. And this piece right here, I'm gonna use this to secure it even more. So I'm gonna take this white and I'm just gonna wrap it with the nice stitches. Remember, y'all have glue. I'm gonna glue my leader. Not right now. Oh, this is actually really cute. We can adjust this if need be. Trying to hide this wire. This is a really pretty lavender flower. I want to hide this wire off camera, then I'll...
Okay, so I hit it and look at this. I really love this because it gives the look of a stem. So a little lavender flower. Y'all, that was so fun to make. So for my next video, I might as well do a tulip. So yeah, that's what I'll do for my next video, tulip. I hope you guys liked my video. And if you did, like, comment, subscribe, share it with a friend. Hey, a lot of people may need this. This is really fun and easy. But guess what I didn't do? I ain't used no glue. And this thing is on there. But if you plan on like gifting this to somebody, you know, like this. Oh, hold up. Nah, that's good. That's damn good. Yo, but I don't suggest doing that. Use glue to secure it, but I think wrapping that wire really helped me. But yeah, like I was saying, like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, and a friend of a friend, and another friend of a friend. And yeah, oh yeah, leave suggestions of any more flowers you'd like to see me try to make. And I'm gonna make it for y'all. Whatever y'all wanna see, I'm gonna make it for y'all. Thanks for watching.